Welcome to the world of Canva Magic Studio. If you've ever wanted to create stunning designs but felt overwhelmed by complicated software, you're in the right place. Canva Magic Studio is like a magic wand for design, making it easy for anyone to bring their ideas to life. Canva Magic Studio is a special tool that helps you design things like posters, social media posts, and even logos. It's kind of like having your own art studio, but on your computer or phone. With Canva Magic Studio, you don't need to be an artist to make beautiful designs. It's made for everyone. Whether you're a student working on a school project or a small business owner trying to create eye-catching ads. Learning how to use Canva Magic Studio can open up a whole new world of creativity for you. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out complicated design software, you can quickly create professional-looking designs with just a few clicks. Whether you want to promote your business, share your ideas with the world, or simply have fun expressing yourself, mastering Canva Magic Studio can help you do it all. Okay, let's get started with Canva Magic Studio. It's super easy, I promise. First things first, you need to create an account on Canva. Don't worry, it's free. Just head over to their website or download the app on your phone. Then, follow the steps to sign up. They'll ask for your email and a password, and boom, you're all set. Once you're logged in, finding Canva Magic Studio is a piece of cake. Look for the Magic Studio option in the menu. It might be under the Create a Design section. Click on it, and ta-da! You're in the magical world of Canva Magic Studio. Take a moment to explore. Check out the templates, tools, and customization options. Click around and get comfortable. It's like exploring a new playground. In Canva Magic Studio, you'll find a treasure trove of features to bring your designs to life. Canva Magic Studio equips you with an array of tools to craft visually stunning creations. Add captivating text to convey your message effectively. Explore a vast library of images or upload your own to personalize your designs. Enhance your designs with a variety of shapes to create visual interest and structure. Customize your canvas with colors, gradients, or images to set the tone of your design. Access a diverse collection of icons, stickers, and decorative elements to embellish your designs. Elevate your designs with filters, effects, and animations for added flair and personality. Layers are the building blocks of your design, offering organization and flexibility. Layers allow you to arrange elements within your design, making it easy to manage complex layouts. By stacking elements on separate layers, you can edit and manipulate individual components without affecting the rest of your design. Utilizing layers adds depth and dimension to your designs, enhancing their visual appeal and impact. Canva Magic Studio provides an extensive library of templates and designs to jumpstart your creativity. Choose from a wide range of templates tailored to different purposes, including social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. Start with a template and personalize it to match your style and branding, ensuring your designs are uniquely yours. Browse through the diverse selection of templates to spark your creativity and discover new design possibilities. Canva Magic Studio is a powerful tool that offers a wide array of features to help users create stunning designs effortlessly. Take your designs to the next level with these advanced techniques in Canva Magic Studio. Dive deeper into design customization with Canva Magic Studio's advanced editing tools. Fine-tune your designs with a range of filters and effects, allowing for precise adjustments to color, brightness, and saturation. Experiment with different blend modes to create unique visual effects by blending layers together in various ways. Apply adjustments to specific layers without permanently changing the original content, giving you more control over the editing process. Bring your designs to life with animation and motion effects. Add movement and dynamism to your designs with animations such as fades, slides, and zooms. Incorporate motion effects like parallax scrolling and object animations to create engaging and interactive designs that capture attention. Streamline collaboration and teamwork with Canva Magic Studio's collaborative features. Create shared design spaces where team members can collaborate in real time, making it easy to work together on projects and share feedback. Leave comments and feedback directly on designs, facilitating communication and collaboration among team members. Keep track of changes and revisions with version history, allowing you to revert to previous versions if needed, and ensuring a seamless collaboration process. Extend the capabilities of Canva Magic Studio by integrating it with other platforms and tools. Seamlessly share your designs on social media platforms directly from Canva, saving time and streamlining your workflow. Integrate Canva with third-party apps and tools to enhance your design process, whether it's adding stock photos, accessing design assets, or automating tasks. Utilize Canva's API to integrate custom functionalities and workflows into your existing systems and applications, empowering you to create personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Unlock the full potential of Canva Magic Studio with these helpful tips and tricks. Boost your productivity with these time-saving keyboard shortcuts. Control+C or Command+C is to copy selected elements. Control+V or Command+V is to paste copied elements. Control+Z or Command+Z is to undo your last action. Control+Shift+Z or Command+Shift+Z is to redo your last undone action. Control+A or Command+A is to select all elements on the canvas. Control+D or Command+D is to duplicate selected elements. Control+G or Command+G is to group selected elements. Control+Shift+G or Command+Shift+G is to ungroup selected elements. Follow these design best practices to create visually stunning and effective designs. Avoid clutter by sticking to a clean and minimalist design. Maintain consistency in fonts, colors, and branding elements across all your designs. Ensure visual harmony by balancing text, images, and other elements within your design. Choose fonts that are easy to read and complement your design aesthetic. Remember to consider mobile users when designing, ensuring that your designs are responsive and accessible on all devices. Resolve common issues quickly with these troubleshooting tips. If Canva is running slowly or experiencing glitches, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to prevent loading issues or connectivity problems. Keep your browser up to date to ensure compatibility with Canva's latest features and improvements. If you encounter persistent issues or technical difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Canva's customer support for assistance. Get inspired and explore the creative possibilities with these examples and case studies. Witness the magic of Canva in action with these stunning designs. Eye-catching and engaging posts optimized for various social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Professional and polished marketing materials, such as flyers, brochures, and posters, designed to captivate audiences and drive results. Dynamic and visually appealing presentations that communicate ideas effectively and leave a lasting impression on viewers. Consistent and cohesive branding collateral, including logos, business cards, and letterheads that reflect the essence of a brand and leave a memorable impression. Learn from real-world examples of successful projects created with Canva Magic Studio. Discover how small businesses have used Canva to elevate their brand presence, attract customers, and drive growth through effective design. Explore case studies of educators and students leveraging Canva to enhance learning experiences, create engaging educational materials, and foster creativity in the classroom. Learn how nonprofits and charitable organizations have utilized Canva to raise awareness, engage supporters, and amplify their impact through compelling visual storytelling. Hear stories of individuals who have used Canva to bring their creative visions to life, whether it's designing wedding invitations, crafting personal blogs, or creating custom artwork. As we wrap up our exploration of Canva Magic Studio, let's recap what we've learned and look ahead to the exciting possibilities that await. Canva Magic Studio is a powerful design tool that offers a wide range of features and capabilities to unleash your creativity. From basic editing tools to advanced techniques like animation and collaboration, Canva Magic Studio has something for everyone. Templates, tools, and elements are readily available to streamline your design process and bring your ideas to life with ease. Now that you've familiarized yourself with Canva Magic Studio, it's time to unleash your creativity and explore all that this powerful tool has to offer. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features, try out new techniques, and push the boundaries of your creativity. The more you explore, the more you'll discover what you're capable of achieving with Canva Magic Studio. Mastering Canva Magic Studio is not just about mastering a tool, it's about unlocking your creative potential and bringing your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva Magic Studio empowers you to create beautiful and impactful designs that resonate with your audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Canva Magic Studio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to spread the magic even further. Go forth and create. Thank you for watching.